All right, one more. Let's resolve our French 6/4. Okay, so first let's make a French 6/4 chord. We know that first we need our augmented sixth, which is going to be that. What else do we need for a French? We need a tonic. So let's put tonic up here on D. And we also need a 2, that weird 2 that makes the French one nice and tasty. We're going to put that right there. Okay? That gives us our French 6 chord. Flat 6, sharp 4, 1, and 2. Scale degree 1 and 2. All right, this one easily resolves directly to a 5. We don't need to do a 6/4/5/3. But we know first thing we're going to do is resolve that augmented sixth outward. Always, always, always. The D we can resolve down to, oops, that's 1, down to a C sharp to get us our major 5 chord. And the E can stay right where they are. That's kind of why we don't have to do the 6/4/5/3 here, because the E can stay right on E. Let's look at that. A, C sharp, E, A, right? Everything lines up all nice and pretty. Let's hear that one. Right, that little grittiness right there opens up a little bit on its own, right? It's almost like two different things are opening up. The augmented 6 interval opens up, and the second opens up to a minor third. Okay, let's label this. So here we have French. I gotta stop doing that. Oh my gosh. To a 5. All right, let's hear them all in a row, just for fun. Cool, fun. Okay, so that is the best way to do voice leading and resolutions of all 3. I'll wrap this up into a nice little kind of rules of voice leading and doubling in a minute. Let's hear something else first.